Cassava Sciences Inc. stock price up more than 5.37% on Wednesday. The Cassava Sciences Inc. stock price gained 5.37% on the last trading day, Wednesday, 9th March 2022, rising from $35.55 to $37.46, and has now gained 3 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the day the stock fluctuated 8.95% from a day low at $35.75 to a day high of $38.95. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days, but is still down by -2.27% for this period. Volume fell on the last day by -484,000 shares, and in total, 1 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $38.34 million. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. The stock lies in the middle of a very wide and falling trend in the short term, and further fall within the trend is signaled. Given the current short-term trend, the stock is expected to fall -7.17% during the next 3 months and, with a 90% probability, hold a price between $30.79 and $48.13 at the end of this 3-month period. Signals forecast. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, March 7th 2022, and so far it has risen 7.37%. Further rises indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price, and it may be an early warning. The stock should be watched closely. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. The Cassava Sciences Inc. stock holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general sell signal from the relation between the two signals where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On corrections up, there will be some resistance from the lines at $37.59 and $42.70. A breakup above any of these levels will issue buy signals. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Support, risk, stop loss. Cassava Sciences Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $37.41, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This stock may move very much during the day. Volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $3.20 between high and low, or 8.95%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 9.08%. Our recommended stop loss: we hold in negative evaluation for this stock. No stop loss is set. Is Cassava Sciences Inc. stock a buy? Cassava Sciences Inc. holds several negative signals and is within a very wide and falling trend, so we believe it will still perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. We therefore hold a negative evaluation of this stock. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a strong sell to a sell candidate. Current score, -4.008. Insiders are neutral, buying more shares than they are selling in Cassava Sciences Inc. In the last 100 trades there were 4.6 million shares bought and 1.97 million shares sold. The last trade was done 176 days ago by Gus and Robert Z, who sold 2.8 thousand shares. The large amount of stocks bought compared to stocks sold indicate that the insiders believe there is a potential good upside. In some cases larger purchases can be explained by due date for stock options. Predicted opening price for Cassava Sciences Inc. of Thursday, March 10, 2022. The predicted opening price is based on yesterday's movements between high, low, and the closing price. Fair opening price March 10, 2022, $37.39. Thanks for watching.